Hello everyone, this is Current with Jack. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to remove a background from your webcam in OBS Studio. So first of all you need to go to this link, obsproject.com, foreign resources, background removal, virtual green screen, low light, enhance. Once you're here you will be able to see a page explaining what this does. As you can see, background removal, virtual green screen and low light enhance. They're useful little tools. What you need to do is you need to go to this source code URL right here. Click on it. Now, if you're not very good at tech or you've never been on GitHub before, this might look really complicated. All you need to do is scroll down until you see this download and install OBS background removal. Click on the link. You'll see this page here. On here you can click your platform. So for me it'll be Windows. And on this page you can either download through this or through Windows. So easiest one to pick is usually this one here. Just click on the link here. It will download a zip file. Once that's downloaded, you'll need to unzip it. You can use some free tools like 7-zip or WinRAR, use something like that. Once you got that, you can open up your folder. It should look like this. How to install plugin in Windows Text. Install under here. Remove all installation.bat and OBS background removal. You open up this instructions here. So it explains to you what you need to do. Copy the OBS background removal folder to your OBS Studio plugins directory. Default path is C program data OBS Studio plugins. So what you need to do here is you'll need to go to this PC. You'll have to go to user. You'll have to pick your C drive directory. You need to go to program data. Find OBS Studio. Click on it. And then look for the plugins folder. If you have the same problem as I did, where the plugins folder does not exist, don't worry, you just need to create a folder called plugins inside that OBS Studio folder. Once made, click on that, and then you can copy and paste this folder right here. So you do a copy, and then you paste it into your plugins folder. From there, you just need to close your OBS Studio. Once OBS Studio is closed, you can reopen it again. And then from there, we come into here. So now you need to obviously add your source or add your video capture device, like I have. I'll show you right here. Now you need to right click properties. Make sure it's all configured correctly. Now you can go to filters. And in here is where you do the magic. So you can go to plus down here under effect filters. And now you'll see background removal. So if you click on that one, click OK, you can see now there's no background whatsoever. You can increase this if you want a little bit of blur. So you increase that for blur, decrease it for less. So let's say you want it to be about maybe that, so that you can't quite see the background. Maybe a little bit. Don't want that, maybe 10. Bit much. This like really blurs, you literally can't see it at all. I'd recommend something maybe more around 12 that's properly blurred. Something like that. So if you close this now, as you can see, we've got a blurred background. And that is how you install the blur into your OBS Studio webcam. Hopefully that all makes sense. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll leave a link to the web page in the video description. Make sure to like, subscribe, and definitely hit that bell icon for more content. For now, goodbye.